brought this little toy for my bunny to give her exercise and to wear her out a little bit because she's just got so much energy. But I think it's just done the opposite effect. It's made her really hyper because honestly, since I've got this toy, she won't settle down. I've constantly got to play with her with the tunnel. She's constantly scratching at the couches more to get my attention, so I don't know what to do about it really, but she loves the tunnel, so I don't want to take it away from her. So I'm just making the most of some peace and quiet while she goes into noddy lands for 5 minutes. Making a Chinese chicken curry found on the internet. What I'll do is I'll leave the link, I'll try and leave the link to the online recipe. If not, then I'll have to type out the ingredients just manually. So yeah, you don't need me to tell you what I'm actually doing right now. You can see it for yourself. But you could add whatever veggies you want. I'm just going to add capsicum, mushrooms and onion. You can add whatever you want, as I just said, but just bear in mind that the veggies need to be quite crunchy, not raw, but not soft. So I just basically cooked this on low. I let it simmer for about 15 minutes. And I also added a little bit more water. So as you can see, it's a little bit gloopy. Thank you everyone. Can you please like and subscribe? I'd really appreciate it.